Therefore, there is no question of identification that who has given this answer. Okay? So first question, health services. Raise your hand those who want to give the answer. Health services means there must be a place where a doctor should come and sit and anybody of you can go to him or her for your answer.
Our college organizes in a time one time like health camp for people and students for people and students. They organize us.
Today
They only organize camp.
you are feeling
Then what will happen? What will happen?
First aid like our NCC and the NSS students.
this is the answer. Fact is this one. Okay, don't worry about it. We will ask the college administration to provide you. Okay, sit down. Next question is this that who is sitting on the first row? You have to reply. Why you have selected this institution for your study? Anybody or in Madurai or nearby place? Why you come to this place?
Because I think it was a good education institution. There are so many faculties in there and they teach well.
Good. And it is a good institution, therefore I opted for my relevance to prospective career or further study. Suppose you are studying in BSc, BA or BCom. Then for further studies in MSc, MCom or MA or any other field, definitely can be started. It's the MCA there, but MSc Computer Science can also be there as subject. Those who are having physics, mathematics, chemistry. Similarly, you can have some management courses. You can have pharmacy courses in undergraduate level and PG level both. So don't you feel that these such courses should be there in the institution? The special technology is there, mass communication, journalism is there. A number of the subjects are available. Tourism. You don't know the name of the subject. MCom course, then only they will suggest you. How many of you raise your hands? Some raise. What about the remaining ones? Do you understand what I am speaking? Anyway, you are not in a position to say who have selected. Your view, what do you think about the quality of teaching? Just I am narrating it. What do you mean by quality? Number one, whether the teaching is commencing on a scheduled time. First. Second, course is completed or not. Third, if you are in class, whether you are understanding what the teacher is teaching to you, they are assisting you to get it understand. Or last question, a teacher is writing on the blackboard, neither he understands nor you understand. This may be sometime position. You are not able to see what has been written. You cannot ask a teacher that what has.
Yes, sir. Our teachers are very well educated professors. They teach us like friendly and also if we have any doubt. We personally go to our department and ask some doubts. They very clearly they explain our doubts, sir.
You see, one question is there. You say that if you don't understand, then we can go to a teacher, okay? He or she
No.
explains to you.
No, sir. If a period hour is only 15 minutes, sir.
You see, there is no time in your timetable. You are coming in morning session or either in evening session, both, okay? There is no gap in between any period of two subjects where you can contact your teacher. This is the
Sir, lunch time, sir, and interval time.
lunch time.
Lunch time and interval time, we go to meet them, sir.
So you are not taking lunch or your teacher is not taking lunch at that time?
Sometimes we have 3 hours, sir.
How many of you have gone to your teacher once or twice in a year? Raise your hands. Those who have gone to their teachers once or twice only, just to ask them your difficulty. Raise your hands. Nobody.
Sir, at the same time, we talk about our teachers to our technological development, to share our messages to Facebook or WhatsApp numbers, to contact our what can I do?
Teacher.
Our teachers, to share our.
If the teacher is available in the college, why to go to the WhatsApp or the messaging?
Sir, we hope.
No, you go, it's all right, but face to face, if you are having some problem, you can go and ask the teacher that this is our problem. We are not able to understand the topic. Will you take it once more so that we will be able to learn?
Yes, sir, we able to learn from teachers to share our problems. Because our teachers conducted to teach our ancient method, chalk and talk, and at the same time modern method, technological communicate with others.
Okay, thank you. The college, there is no music department or dance department in the college. Those who will give their performance in the cultural evening today, they have learnt of their own or by their teacher in the city, not by the availability of the facilities in the college. Don't you feel so? There must be music facilities in the college. Satisfactory? But there is no badminton court. There is badminton court in the college?
Excuse me, sir.
Badminton court is there. Badminton wooden court.
Wooden code is nothing.
Not there. Okay.
Our college conduct many sports competitions, sir.
What about your basketball?
Basketball code is nearest.
There.
Yes. Basketball, football court is here.
Table tennis. Indoor stadium.
Indoor stadium. Yes.
Is there any gym?
Gym is not available here, sir.
Gym is not there in the college. Means it must be there.
So many state level players and national level players are presented here,
It's
sir.
okay.
Last one bench. Is there any hostel facility in the college? Stand up and who is living in the hostel? No hostel? I am asking you the question. Hostel means a place where you student can get admitted and you sir. Is there any hostel now?
Yes, sir.
Hostel facility is there? Anybody who is living girls common room? Sufficient? Madam is saying that I have visited the girls common room. No facilities are there. Okay? Now what about the boys common room? Is there any boys common room in the college? Boys restroom. Samosa is good here. It seems so. You see, next question, computer facility in the college. Anybody can visit the computer center or only those who are studying in BSc or MSc they can visit? Suppose she is a student of non-computer course. She wants to,
Language lab, sir.
but only it is for English language.
No, sir. No, sir.
I did 47. It's the best merit, sir, to study.
Able to listen what you say. Again, speak it out.
Low fees will.
Low fees.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. What is the low fees?
Yes, sir.
Low fees.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. It is a government college.
Because this is government institution, that's it.
There is no other college which is having government added here except this one? Okay. So low fees. Or for girls there is no fees. Next question. Suppose you want to appear in Tamil Nadu Service Commission or Union Public Service Commission. You want to prepare for NET or SET or SLATE. Is there any facility available in the college?
Our department organize quiz program like general knowledge and other our oriented sir. And our study materials also related with the exam syllabus sir. So we are
You see, first is your examination, your own university examination.
yes sir, that is related to our all government job oriented exam.
Syllabus is there in competitive examination. But the question pattern is totally different.
No sir, that like general knowledge quiz program like conducted by our department.
But the general knowledge is not being taught in the college by any teacher. Taught.
Our library have also general knowledge books like sir. We use
Do you have any newsletter or magazine for your career building, competition success review, career success review? A number of, you see, things are available in the internet as well as in the library also. But this library, okay, sit down please. Last question. Just I will let you know what is grievance redressal. Suppose a student sitting in the third, psychological counseling is also there. So, is there any mechanism in the college or there is a drop box where you can drop a complaint? Then you will ask to come to the particular room at a particular time, the principal or your counselor to solve it. Is there any mechanism for that?
We have complaint box nearby principal ma'am room sir. And our boy students also not like that sir. They are like our brothers sir. They don't give teasing us sir.
You are very good, your fellow colleague, but it cannot be 100% correct. You see, if any type of the complaint you have in your mind, not you teasing, I just stated only one of the example. That is not one. You are living in a very harmonious atmosphere, it is a good one. And the reason may be that the girls are more in the college than the boys. So, but suppose grievance redressal means, suppose in physics, this year the course of the semester has not been completed and examinations are coming to say after 15 or 20. Suppose you are to be going to select in sports. Suppose to say in football some students are to be selected. If they have not been selected, and a
First we told our professor sir. Then they called the principal sir. They told us principal.
Okay, sit down.
Give suggestion.
Our department contains only one building, sir. There are no classrooms others to study first year and second year students. We want building facilities.
Okay, good. Classrooms. Next, all 15 to 20 students are there who are NSS volunteers. Okay. What you sing in the हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन, हो मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन, हम चलेंगे साथ साथ, हम चलेंगे साथ साथ, लेके हाथों में हाथ, लेके हाथों में हाथ, हम चलेंगे एक दिन, हो मन में है विश्वास, हम हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। जय हिंद। पधारो आप, यू कैन गो नाउ।